In this video, I'll show you how to add your address to Throne. I'll also cover what other workarounds you have to withdrawing money off the platform. So let's jump into it. So you want to go to throne.com. And once you're inside of your account, go to your settings in the top right. Now from here, you can go to address and it's going to say country selection. Now, if you go ahead and click on browse countries, you want to first go ahead and check what options you have within your country. So for me in the UK, I have gift payouts, which basically means if the product that you've put on your wish list is not available, Throne will pay out the amount to you in your balance and you'll be able to withdraw it into your bank. You'll also be able to get direct packages sent to your address, which we're about to add. Now you need to make sure that this is available for your country because not every country has this available. If this is available in your country, go ahead and scroll down and it will say your details are hidden, show details. Then you can go ahead and search for your address here and fill in all of these details. Fairly standard details, right? Once you've done that and you've added those and even delivery instructions as well, you can then click Save Details. And that's how you can add your address to Throne. If you want to go through the withdrawal process for actually withdrawing money, then watch the video on screen now.